Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable YouTube Shorts remixing. So if you want to allow people to use your videos in their shorts, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to navigate over to YouTube Studio. If you're not sure how to get there, just go ahead and select your user profile icon on the top right, left click on it, and then select YouTube Studio. Select the Content tab on the left side, and then in the video field up here at the top where it says Select All, go ahead and check mark inside of there. And you want to select where it says Edit, and then select where it says Shorts Remixing. Where it says New Value, click on the drop-down, select Don't Allow Remixing, and then select Update Videos. You want to understand the implications of this action, and then select Update Videos. If you have a lot of videos in here, this may take some time to save, so just keep that in mind. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.